This is the flyer, your invitation to come out to the last days gospel explosion. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be big and powerful. God is going to do something mighty for Byra. He's going to do something mighty for Connery. South Rivers, you're invited. Georgetown, you're invited. Orange Hill and surrounding areas, you are invited. And the best of all, this message must go to all the world. We will be streaming and you will not miss that thing. So, you have no excuse. Check out the link. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be big. I'll see you there. God bless.